Adding value always been a fundamental part of Book and Holmes service concept, and it is a part of our DNA.
Today, our service department enables us to add value to the products we offer. Demands from our customers are always increasing, and we monitor the development on a continuous basis.
Validation, IQ, OQ, PQ, and support, FAT and SAT are only some of the service we offer.
The vision of Book & Holm's service team is to empower local clients to benefit from the professional service of global brands.